Are you struggling to get clients? Or maybe you're struggling to find out what your brand means? Welcome to today's video on how to build a brand as a graphic designer. As a graphic designer, you understand the importance of a strong brand. Whether you're a freelance designer, a design agency, or an in-house designer, branding yourself is essential to standing out in the competitive design industry. In this video, I'll share some tips and strategies for creating a strong, consistent brand that communicates your values, personality, and unique style as a designer. Coming off at number 1 is defining your brand identity. The first step in building a brand as a graphic designer is to define your brand identity. Your brand identity is the foundation of your brand and includes your brand's name, logo, color scheme, typography, messaging, and overall aesthetic. To create a memorable and cohesive brand identity, you need to have a clear understanding of your target audience, your design style, and your brand's values and personality. To define your brand identity, you can start by answering some key questions such as: who is your target audience? What are your brand's values and personalities? What is your design style? And what makes your brand unique? Once you have a clear understanding of your brand's identity, you can start creating the visual elements of your brand, such as your logo, color scheme, and typography. It's important to maintain consistency across all visual elements to create a cohesive and recognizable brand. Coming off at number 2 is building a strong portfolio. The next step is to build a strong portfolio that showcases your best work and demonstrates your design skills and expertise. Your portfolio should reflect your brand and be tailored to your target audience. You can use various platforms such as your website, social media, or Behance to showcase your work. I personally use Behance as of right now, but the best way to do it is using Adobe Portfolio or just making your own website. But to create a strong portfolio, you should choose your best work to showcase. Highlight your design skills and expertise. Include a mix of different types of projects and styles. Make it easy for clients to navigate and find the information they need. And update your portfolio regularly to showcase your latest work. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. But coming off at number 3, it's marketing your brand. Once you have a strong brand identity and portfolio, it's time to market your brand. Marketing your brand involves promoting your brand across various channels such as social media, email marketing, networking events, and collaborations with other designers or brands. It's essential to maintain consistency across all channels and communicate your brand's values and personality effectively. To market your brand effectively, you should choose the right marketing channels for your target audience, create a content strategy that aligns with your brand identity, be consistent in your messaging and visual identity, engage with your audience and respond to their questions and comments, collaborate with other designers or brands to expand your reach. For example, if I wanted to market myself, I would want to go in the content creation route, so I would want to make sure my portfolio is thumbnails and headers and stuff along those lines. That way I can showcase the best designs I've made within the content world. But coming off at number 4 is providing excellent customer service. As a graphic designer, providing excellent customer service is crucial to building a strong brand. This involves understanding your client's needs and expectations, communicating effectively, delivering high quality work on time, and being responsive to feedback and questions. By providing exceptional customer service, you can build trust, loyalty, and a positive reputation for your brand. To provide excellent customer service, you should listen to your clients' needs and expectations. You should communicate effectively and be responsive to questions and feedback. You should also deliver high quality work on time and within budget, set realistic expectations for the project timeline and scope, and then follow up with your clients after the project is complete. In conclusion, building a brand as a graphic designer requires careful planning, creativity, and consistent effort. By defining your brand identity, building a strong portfolio, marketing your brand effectively, and providing excellent customer service, you can establish a memorable and successful brand that stands out in the competitive design industry. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys found this video really helpful. Make sure you subscribe and click this video to watch more of my content.